Mark from Cyprus has a faucet frustration question.
It's the guest bathroom tub shower thing. I think you're going to recognize this when you see it. I used to have one just like it. Mark writes, water flow going from the faucet to the shower head seems to be slow and restrictive to some degree. He's talking about this bad boy. Remember these?
Actually, just when we remodeled, we tore them out of the house.
Yeah, I know.
That was about a year ago.
Had one just like it.
It worked great for a long time.
Well, his angst surrounds this little button underneath the faucet. He says he has to, you're supposed to just tap it, it goes in and turns on the shower. Well, he has to push it in. And when he does, water comes out of the shower head, but it's slow to come on and doesn't come out of the head at full power. And then to disengage it, remember when you turn it off, it just pops out? He has to pull it out to get it to stop. So does this mean my faucet to the shower head is dirty, clogged, or worse?
Old.
Okay.
Yeah, they get corroded from the water. Just eats up the inside of them that's probably 20 plus years old.
No, easy.
So you might want to. You could have a plumber come out. Maybe they can take it apart, put a new cartridge in, and do all that good stuff, which is fine. But at the same time, it might be time for a new one.
Time to replace. I guess that's his question. Do I clean it? Do I replace it?
I don't know. If you can clean it, it's fine. The only way to know if you can clean it is to tear into it
and stick your finger in
there and see what's going on. It could be full of rust and everything.
Yeah.
Look in there, you go, oh my gosh, and all that water's going through, and you're bathing in it. I'm not sure, but it's probably just the metal fatigue, just from the aggressiveness of the water.
If you've never seen one of these videos before, Tom's answer to a lot of things, just stick your finger in it.
If you want to know if it's wet, stick your finger in it. People say, you think it's wet? I don't know. Stick your finger in it.
Find out. The only place that doesn't apply is, do you want to know if the breaker is off? Don't stick your finger in it. All right.
Well, if you do, lick it first.
You want to do a thorough job killing yourself. Don't do it. We're kidding. All right. You have a question. We're not kidding when we say we'll help you out. Just send them to HomeShowRadio.com and use that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.